Good morning, bird brains. Today, the Battle Donkey is getting a not much needed. Good morning, bird brains. Today, the Battle Donkey is getting a facelift. Let's get into it. So for those of you who are new to the channel, this is my 2018 Road Glide special nicknamed the Battle Donkey, and it's been a while since he has gotten any sort of love. So today we are putting on a new headlight and some new mirrors, which is the perfect time to announce the new title sponsorship to this channel, Rogue Rider Industries. If you've been a fan of the channel for a while, you know that Rogue Rider Industries has been a supporter for quite a long time, ever since the Dyna Build series back in 2017, 2018 timeframe, and now they are continuing their support by becoming the title sponsor here on Bike and Bird. And to kick off that sponsorship, they sent out a Blazemaker for the Road Glide. So here you see here, we got the Blazemaker for Road Glide LED headlight for the 2015 and up. And this thing, guys, is pretty. Woo! Look at that. Got your dual LEDs, and then these also light up as your daytime running lights. That is a product that they make themselves, and then a product they don't make themselves, but they still are a supplier, is Arlen Ness mirrors. These will be going on at the same time here today. These are their Sidekick mirrors. I really like the look of these. They look kind of industrial and modern. I think it'll be a nice touch to the Battle Donkey. All right, enough of me blabbering. Let's get to turning some wrenches.
I think I just came in my pants.
So here it is, guys, the new face of the Battle Donkey. Super easy install. This Rogue Rider headlight was literally just a plug and play. Everything fit absolutely perfectly. And I have to say, I'm really enjoying how it looks. I wish I would have gotten a before and after of the actual headlight, but I can tell you just from what I've seen shining on the wall when I was testing it, it's just as bright, if not brighter, than the Harley-Davidson Daymaker. I'll need to get some nighttime testing with it to say for sure, but definitely not a downgrade in any form or fashion. Plus the all black look just looks awesome. I really like how it just changes up the whole front end of the bike. In my opinion, it makes it look quite a bit more sporty up front. And then these mirrors also came out very nice. I think they fit the style of the bike very well. Nice and simple. Very clean glass now that I had to rub it down with acetone and God knows what else to get the crap off of whatever cover was on it. But here you are, guys. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to do most of that work all over again because not for the headlight or anything, but my little vent thing is broken or dirty or something like that, so I'm gonna have to take the whole front end off again probably next week to get that swapped out. Hopefully I'll be able to do a video on that because it is a very common problem apparently. But anyways, guys, links for all these products are gonna be down in the description below. And other than that, is going to do it for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and punch that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.